pretty. Laugh. Don't laugh. I'm freezing. I am so wimpy. Anyhow, it is beautiful here, and I'm walking to the lighthouse, but I'm stopping over here to look at this. Wow. All right, I'm going to turn it around. Hang on. You got to see this, guys. Another deer, and there's wild turkeys way back there. See them? Wild turkeys. And deer. A deer. A doe. Look at that wild turkey out there. So there's the lighthouse we're going to. I just saw the light spin around, and it's so foggy. Yeah, see the light? Cool. That must be the lighthouse caretaker, maybe? Nah, I don't know. Oh no, there's a house down there. There's the ocean. It's hard to see because it's so misty and foggy. You can see how rough the ocean is. Wow, that ocean is rough. We're almost to the lighthouse. See, I can't go down there because the sign says it's for wildlife only, no trespassing. And then there is our lighthouse. There it is. Watch those waves pounding in. The other day I was out here and there was no, hardly any waves at all, and they were just little bitty things. Yeah, the ocean looks angrier today. Oh, there's a little beach right down there, you see? But no way to get down there. Nice family. Things in the field. Popping up out of there. Isn't that interesting? And there it is. The lighthouse. It's a beautiful light up there. Let's watch it go around. That's cool. Beautiful. I'm going to go up that path and look over the bluff. Here we go. I'll look over here. Oh, I wish it was sunny out. That's okay. This is still beautiful. Now the ocean looks angry. There's the rocks down there. So we're going to drive back to Fort Bragg, but if I see something interesting along the way, I'm going to stop because today's filming day. I've decided I'm going to start naming certain days my filming day. We're going to go up to Redwood National Forest, or I'm sorry, we saw Redwood National Forest, parts of it, but I want to go to the Redwood National Park before I head home. And I'm going to be heading home probably about around the 26th or 27th of this month. So I still have plenty of time, thankfully. I don't want to go home. I talked to my daughter last night she called me, and she's telling me it's 80s and 90s. I'm sorry. No, that was a different day. They had 104 degrees in Thornton, Colorado, she said. What? Sorry, that's global warming for you, because we don't get temps like that, rarely, ever. I think that's the second time since I've lived in Colorado. Only the second time. So, I'd love to stay here all summer long, but I have to go back and see my doctor every other month. So, thankfully, telemed lets me talk to her 1 month, and the next month I have to go see her. So, I'm grateful for the 2 months at a time that we get to go. I'm coming back here next winter, I think. I just love it too much here. I love it so much here. I want to come back next winter. I'm sorry, next summer. Ocean looks angry. So I finished up my tour of the lighthouse. It was really nice. I even saw remnants from a shipwreck from 1850 when the massive Frolic ship, it was called the Frolic, it crashed. And so they had relics in there from it from 1850, and it was just beautiful. Dishes and stuff. So, yeah, now we're going to walk back to the van up there on the hill. See it up there? That's where Jake's at, in the van. Mad because I won't let him out. We're going to go to the park this afternoon so he can go out and be outside all afternoon unless it rains. But even though this is Mendocino and it's 8 miles from Fort Bragg where we're staying, there seems to be a big weather difference. Well, not huge weather difference, but it's definitely more chilly here than it is Fort Bragg. Probably about 10 degrees in my opinion. But who am I? I'm no expert. I wonder if that's the lighthouse caretaker's houses or something. That'd be pretty cool being on the road with the lighthouse and the ocean right there. Look at that. You see that water down there, Jake? There's a beach area down there. I just don't want to go get in the beach and get all dirty. I've been on enough beaches in my lifetime. I'm going to not go down there. Now that I've seen it, I'm happy. Very happy I saw it.